Namaste everyone, welcome to NEET Guidance. This presentation is specially for Karnataka candidates, those who have already decided to take a drop for this year and appear for next year exam, that is NEET 2022, and have also scored 300 and above marks. It may be like 350 marks, 400 marks, 500 marks. This scenario has changed last year and this year, especially for GM candidates. Earlier years, students used to get a government seat in for 50 marks and a good government medical college with 500 marks. But scenario has changed last year and this year. Students are not even getting a government seat with 500 marks. What is the reason? Students are scoring very good well in biology and chemistry. Students are scoring 320 plus marks in biology and 120 marks in chemistry and 40 or 50 or 60 marks in physics. Students need to be upgraded themselves so that they boost their score in physics and get a good score in upcoming next year. We have two questions here. What is the main reason for many students to score less in physics? And the second is how to overcome the difficulty in physics. I think first question is the problem with physics, and second comes with the solution problem faced by the students in physics. Come, let us have a quick checkup for these questions. According to me, yes, the main reasons during preparations are, the first thing is during preparation, students give less time to physics compared to other subjects. Yes, this problem comes up when students are preparing for their weekend or cumulative exams. Students, in the view of getting a very high score, they start preparing with biology and chemistry, and finally they give physics with a sort of synopsis stage and attempt the exams. And this is repeated every week and every month. Finally, at the last month, they do not give very good time for physics, and this might be the reason for giving very less score in physics. And second point is some students spend most of their time in physics but still they score less, and this is a very difficult situation when students are giving very much more time to physics but still the score are not up to the marks in physics. What is the reason? Yes, students need to be very curious about this question. This point is that the students need to be trying and with consistent study and at least try to revise the synopsis week by week and month by month, so that the earlier things will not be forgotten, and finally for final exam it will not be a burden for physics. Third is student concentrate on weekend exams and score well, but they find difficulty to recollect their chapters. Yes, this as said earlier, this is the main reason. Due to overcome the pressure of parents and some overcome the pressure of parents, students try to get score very good marks in starting chapters, but when they come to final exam, their result will be dropped. This is the problems done by the students during preparation. Let's go to the next slide. The main reasons during attempting the paper. Yes, whatever study in the whole year, the final outcome will be what you will giving the exam in the 3 hours of the time in the exam hall. During attempting the paper, students start the paper by solving from easy subjects, no matter what is the subject. My suggestion is go a quick roundup for all the subjects, whether it may be biology, chemistry or physics. Whatever you know, have a quick roundup over the question paper and start solving easy questions in all the three subjects. Next point is many students attempt the physics section at last hours and try to attempt, but due to lack of time management they get panic. Panic is the most important thing in which it kills all the things you have learnt. They can't solve questions properly, arriving at different answers and tick the wrong option even though they knew the answers correctly. The main thing is what our students do during attempting the paper is they start with biology and bother themselves to complete the biology paper within 45 minutes or 60 minutes. What is the strategy is that exam paper, if it comes at a different situation, that biology paper is lengthy. Yes, this is a big situation we should be dealt with. It will be overcome when we give equal importance for all the subjects while solving a paper. Paper should be solved with 3 rounds, not with bordering them one subject with 1 hour or 2 hours. And the next, let us go to the next slide. How to overcome difficulty in physics during preparation. During preparation, students should give equal time to all subjects, and spending time in subjects is also individual decision. Yes, students should start preparing earlier compared with other subjects. They should give much of the time with physics and biology and chemistry. The main reason with physics is physics needs some practice compared to biology and chemistry. Biology, the questions will be direct from NCERT, but questions in physics will be application basis. Second thing is students should be thorough with theory and synopsis and then only start solving numericals. And this is the most important thing. What of us many students do is they simply mug up the synopsis and start solving questions, and they will think that even though I have studied, I can't get good marks. This can be overcome by being thorough with theory and synopsis. And finally, at least we should be having quick roundup through synopsis. Third point is there should be consistency during preparation, especially for physics. Students should at least revise the synopsis so that they won't forget. What is the plan you make this year? At what plan you do with the last month? It is a very different scenario. Starting students think that this year I should score at least 600 plus and 620 plus. What after last month they think is at least they will score 55 plus. Why does this happen? This happens because due to whole huge syllabus of NEET, which is same for all the students, but it is what decisions make students. It depends on the students. Students should give at least time through to at least revise the synopsis, so that the at end it will not be a burden for physics. Next, time management during examination. This is the main thing. Even though student has studied very well a lot and scored very good marks in weekend exams, he might be scoring 600 plus or 650 plus in a weekend exam. Some of students will be not giving very good outcome or result in a final exam. What is the main reason? During examination, students should attempt the paper fresh-minded. It means the main aim is to focus on exam and forget the consequences. Students should enter the exam hall with a prime goal that to give a attempt the paper. They should not think about the consequences, what it might be like. Even if he is not able to crack this exam or make it through is our goal, or what might if he doesn't do this and cannot reach this goal. And what happens is that due to this panic condition, students will not be give is maximum up to limit, which will be killed by panic condition. When you enter the examination hall, at least try to meditate at least 5 to 10 minutes, and after that start after giving question paper, start attempting a paper from easy questions from all the subjects, next the moderate, and finally difficult. The main thing is that after doing all the procedures in exam hall, after start attempting the paper, students should not bother himself. That is the main thing. You should not fix the time, like first 45 minutes or 1 hour for biology, next 1 hour for chemistry, and finally for physics. It is a main drawback. What happens is that when students start to attempt the paper like within 45 minutes, some questions may be lengthy, some questions may be tricky. Due to this time management, you will be seeing the clock again and again, and the time will be going back. You cannot finish the biology within 45 minutes or 1 hour. It might take to 1.5 hours. What is the remaining 1.5 hours? It is left with. You should be dealt with chemistry and physics. What does they do is next he will go for chemistry. If he finds the paper easy, he thinks that he should be dealt with only one time, and he start attempting the paper. Finally, will be remained with at least 30 minutes or half an hour. Even though students know the answers for physics questions, you will be not able to at least read the questions till end. Yes, gaining confidence is very essential. It can be done by attempting the easy questions in less time and spend the rest of the time in numerical based questions. Yes, while physics is concerned, first I think that students should attempt the paper like in at least 2 rounds or 3 rounds. Firstly, all the questions, you should not see the whether this is a biology, chemistry or physics. All the 3 subjects should be treated equally, and attempt the paper with whether he knows the one line answer, it should be ticked away, and with the questions which will be time consuming, it should be left back and given for second or third round. Second is that students should gaining confidence is very important, because as much as you attempt the paper, confidence is giving a push up to the next stage of the question paper. After at least completing the biology, chemistry, physics within 1 hour, that is easy questions, it will be able to finish. Later confidence will boost you to the score. I think this is the main important drawback of physics. It will be overcome and give a huge success in upcoming years. I wish you all the best. Thank you.